using Find and Replace. Press Ctrl-H to open Find window. Type =sign into the Find What field, then type a different character in the Replace with box. Click Replace All. Copy and paste the cells. Use Find and Replace again to reverse the change. Click Replace All. Other methods. Select the cell. Copy the formula shown in the formula bar. Press ESC to close. Then paste the formula wherever you need it. Press Ctrl and Grave Accent Character to set in Formula View mode. Copy the formulas and paste them. Then press again to switch back. Click the lower right corner of the cell. Click and drag the cursor across the column or row you're copying to. The formula will automatically be entered into the cells you've highlighted. Select the cells you want to copy the formula to and paste. The formulas now appear in the selected cells.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.